This video explains the chart filter function in the OrgChart application. Within the OrgChart application, on the Planning tab, there is a new function which is called the Chart Filter View. This view is going to give us the ability to see only those boxes that we're interested in. So in this case, I have an org chart that's broken up by project. Individuals are assigned to a project A, B, or multi. Which could mean both. And so we're going to show you how, using the filter function, we can take away those boxes that are not of interest and only show those that are. To begin, I started by making some rules, and my rules are defined for project A, which is we have a project name field, and if it contains the word project A, then that's going to meet that rule. We have one per project B. We have one for project name multi, and we've also got one for all boxes. So 3 different rules are created, and that's the basis by which we're going to be able to use the filter. So the first thing here is, if I click under filter view, let's go to our planning tab for a second. If I click and say I only want to see project A, here's what we're going to get. We're going to see only those boxes. The exception is going to be where their managers in the hierarchy were necessary to show, because that's what it takes to hold the hierarchy together. So if we select project A, this is what we see. If we select project B, we see this view. If we select multi, then we're going to see only those projects that are associated with it. Now, let's take a look at project A again, and we're seeing only those people. So this represents a wonderful way now for you to filter out things like, I only want to see employees and not contractors. I only want to be able to see people that are full-time or people from a particular location. And this filter will set that throughout the entire chart. Let's take a moment and take a look at these other light gray boxes that are showing. And we have individuals that report to 2 different managers, and they report up to a top manager. So taking a look at those individual managers, we can even see, if we look carefully, that we see their name and their project name. Even though we're only looking for project A, we see managers that are part of the multi-project. So the intensity or the appearance of these boxes can be changed, and you would do so under the File menu, under Options, under Chart Decorations, and right here in this area here, Filtered Disabled Box Style. So we could filter with a particular color or with a line style. So in this case, let's go ahead and pick, if we wanted to pick a light green, for example, we could do that and OK it. And now what we see by re-invoking the filter is that those boxes are now green, but they're not allowing us to see any of the text inside. Let's go back and make a change to that. In this case, we go back to the Options, Chart Decorations, and we find the color we're interested in. Then we click on Fill Effect, and we can change the intensity here. So I'm going to actually make this lighter, and that way the font that is in each one of these records is going to show through more clearly. And let's accept that. And now you can see that the actual manager boxes have changed so that the background is the desired color, and now we can see the details within that box showing through. So now you know that the filter operates off of rules, and if a manager is involved or showing in the display, that you can control the background, the intensity of the color or its opacity, and then you can also decide if you want to show the detail from that manager record. This is how the filter function works. If you have any questions, contact us at support@OfficeWorkSoftware.com. Thank you.